Hey guys, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video, we are going to be using our Glitteratzi dual-ended liquid eyeshadows, again, from Hard Candy. Last time we used this, it turned into the festival eye, so who knows what it's going to turn into today. I'm going to try to do a halo with it because I love this. It's like so spacey. This is something about Mars. Mad about Mars. So we're going to see what we can make of it. We're going to see if we can do a halo. So I'm going to start off by putting a eyelid primer. This is Essence I Love Color Eye Base, and it is just about empty. I need to get another one, but it's not empty, so we're going to just put this all over our lid. And I'm using this sponge because that's what I got. See if we can get a clean spot on it. Well, it worked really well for that. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the dark color on this one. And I'm just going to put a dot with this wand on, I always turn it the wrong way, on like where the crease is. Actually, I'm going to put it on my lid. All over my lid. And I'm only going to do one at a time because it dries really fast. And then I'm going to take this brush and I'm just going to pull it up. Oh, it's very dark. It's very pretty, but it's very dark. Which I already knew from the last time, didn't I? I just want to make sure I get it nice and spread out before it sets, and it's already setting. It's so pretty. Just keep pulling it up, blending it. There. It's gorgeous, huh? Now, I'm going to do the other eye before I finish this one. I love red. It's kind of red. I just wish it gave you a little more time. Now I need to take a clean brush, I think this one's clean, and kind of clean up right here. I got a little bit down there. Or just a finger. I did it on both sides, but I'm going to clean that with the cake bake sponge, so we're okay. Alright, so now let's go in with the glittery side. Now, I think I'm going to do a halo eye, but I may go all the way in because that's what I like. But it's pretty, huh? It's kind of orangey, reddy, pinky. No, it doesn't really have pink. It's more of an orangey red, but it's metallic and beautiful. Oh, this is so pretty on top of it. Except that it's darker on the other one. There. All right, now I'm going to take this brush and I'm just going to tap this around to make it blend a little better. I am going to take this brush and see what we can do about this. I feel like I want to put a little on the bottom, but I'm afraid to put too much. Maybe I can get a little up here. I really don't want to go into the tube, it's too dark. But I think I'm going to have to. Well, no, I can see a little bit. Huh, that's enough. We're going to stop. Well, we're not going to stop, really. We're going to push line. And I'm going to use black today. Because this is so bold. I think that the brown would get lost. So we are going to use black. So in order to push line, you put your little finger in the center of your eye and you push gently so that your eyelash kind of flips up. And then you draw between the lashes. I'm using the Maybelline Tattoo Liner, Gel Liner for my push lining. Now I'm going to go in with a flat brush, like I always do, and smudge that back and forth, pull it up a little bit so that it covers all the skin between my lashes. So now I'm going to do my winged liner, and I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Renaissance Flick to do it with. And I'm just going to stamp it and then pull it straight across. So we went with dramatic eyeliner today. Sometimes that just happens. Now I'm going to go off camera and do my lashes and I will be back. Okay guys, I'm back. I put my lashes on. All I did was put mascara because I did the liner on camera. I really love these. I think these are beautiful. And we have one more to do. Not today, but we still have this teal blue one to do. So that will be sometime soon. But I'm loving them. This was not a product review because we'd already reviewed it and did it's just a learning curve because you gotta move fast, that's for sure. Especially with the dark part, it sets really fast. Well, it all sets really fast. But you just get in there and get it done. Get it spread out like you want it. It might take the first time, like with me, the first time I did it, it was the festival eyes, and that was it went bad, and then we fixed it. So, but this time, I think they look gorgeous, and I know how to use them now. So I'm ready to try the turquoise one, or seafoam, whatever color that is. Got an itch. I swear I got cat hair all over my face. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and hit that little bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. I love you guys. Wait, follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching my videos. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah!